In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT4 Market Watch. The Market Watch panel is your quick command center in MT4 for monitoring tradable instruments and acting on them fast. Think of it as your live quote board. It shows you symbols with their real-time bid and ask prices and lets you jump straight into placing orders or opening charts with just a click. First, let's make sure you can actually see it. Press Ctrl+M on your keyboard to show or hide the Market Watch. If the panel isn't visible, press Ctrl+M once to bring it up. If it's already open and you want to free up space, press the same shortcut again to tuck it away. This toggle is handy when you're organizing your layout or focusing on a chart. Once the panel is open, take a moment to get familiar with what you're looking at. Each symbol represents a market you can trade. You'll see two prices updating in real time: the bid and the ask. The bid is the price at which you can sell, and the ask is the price at which you can buy. The difference between them is called the spread, and it's a normal part of trading costs, so it's worth keeping an eye on spreads when markets are volatile or when liquidity is lower. When you're ready to act on a symbol, the fastest way to place a trade is to double-click it. That opens the order window for that specific instrument. From there, you can choose your volume, select market or pending orders, set stop loss, and take profit levels, and confirm the trade. Double-clicking is designed for speed, especially if you need to react quickly to price movement. You also have more options by right-clicking any symbol. In the context menu, choose New Order to open the same order window. Select Chart Window to instantly open a fresh chart for that symbol, so you can analyze price action, apply indicators, or draw support and resistance before making a decision. And use Show All or Hide to manage the list itself. Show All displays every instrument your broker provides, which is useful if you're exploring new markets. Hide lets you clean up the list by removing symbols you don't follow, so your focus stays on the instruments you actually trade. That's the core workflow. Toggle the panel with Ctrl+M, watch live bid and ask prices, double-click to open the order window, and right-click for quick access to new orders, charts, and list management. Master these simple actions, and the Market Watch becomes a fast, reliable gateway to your trading decisions.